Welcome back. This is Chapter 4, Lesson 3 of Environmental Science, and we're talking about population growth. Hopefully, make sure that you fill out your notes as you go along, either on hard copy or on the computer. Let's get started. A population's growth rate is determined by births, deaths, immigration, and emigration. Population increases in size when more individuals enter the population than actually leave it. Population decrease in size when more individuals leave it than they enter it. Oops, sorry. There are, of course, limiting factors which slow the population growth by increasing death rates or decreasing death rates. We're talking about increasing um, death rates, which means more people are dying, okay, that are actually being born. Or it's the opposite, decreasing birth rates, which means that less people are dying and more are being born. Okay? And there's lots of environmental factors that can go into that. It could be um, environmental factors can be drugs. Environmental factors mean for prenatal care. Um, there's many things that can go into that, and those are limiting factors. The higher the population density, the less food and water will be available per individual. This is density dependent. So, other density dependent factors, of course, of limiting resources, food, shelter, production of toxic waste, infectious diseases, predation, stress, emigration, all those things are factors that could make populations change. Catastrophic events such as floods, fires, landslides are density independent. So we never know when those things are going to happen. And so they are able to take care of those. And we start to try to limit those if we can. So, in other words, especially for the fires, we take care of making sure we extinguish those so that we don't have one of those catastrophic events. But we can't tell when a hurricane's going to come through. We can't tell when we're going to get so much rain that something floods. And because of the floods, we get the landslide. We can't predict those things. Okay. So our populations are always, always changing. Okay. You should have been able to complete 4.3 notes. Turn those in and catch you next time.